Hello everyone, and welcome to my very first Plan With Me video. This one's for the month of March, and as you can see, I'm just covering up the mistake I made with the title and then redoing it. And here on the bottom, I am laying out my washi tape, which I got off of Etsy, and I'll link it in the description along with every other supply I've used in this video. And then I have previously drawn out in pencil all of the cacti, which was basically a direct copy off of some of the cacti in the cover page for AmandaRachLee's March 2018 Plan With Me video, which I'll also link in the description. And then I'm just using a Tombow mono drawing pen to outline all of it. And I'm sorry for my head coming in during some of these clips. I was just at a really awkward angle. I was actually recording my notebook on a bench and having my phone on a table, and I was babysitting, so I wasn't even at my house during the recording of this video. I'm just adding in some of the details, and along the way I am using my Uniball Signo white gel pen to correct any of the mistakes. And I'm using my Mildliner from the Cool Pack in the pink color for all of the little flowers, and for the pots I'm using my darker green color, which is a Tombow Dual Brush Pen in the color 346, and then for the cacti themselves I'm using a Tombow Dual Brush Pen in the color 245, and then I'm just finishing up all of the coloring of these cacti. And then here you can see I'm flipping back to see the previous layout of my monthly calendar for the month of February. For any of you wondering, the spacing is 5 by 5 in my Scribbles That Matter Pro notebook. And I'm again using my Uniball Signo pen to cover up any mistakes. I really liked this layout, so I used it for January and then ever since then. And then on the side, I'm actually drawing out this little box area to write out my to-do list for the entire week. So it's mostly used for longer term assignments that aren't due the next day. And then I'm using my Tombow Dual Brush Pen in the color 245 just to color the tops of all of the boxes of each day. And then here on the bottom, I'm doing something a little different. Usually on the very bottom, I just have my calendars for my habit trackers. But here I decided to do a productivity tracker, which is basically just a line graph where along the bottom is the day of the month, and then along the side is how productive I felt on a scale from 1 to 10. And then here I'm just writing out the title for my 3 lines a day spread, where I just simply write 3 lines about what I did that day every day. It's a very simple way of doing journaling, and I'm often just playing catch up with what I was doing. And then on the bottom of that, I'm just finishing a productivity tracker. And right here, I think the people that I was babysitting were coming along. So here's just a flip through of my month of March. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.